Flies distracting me. It's coming into summer now and all the flies are coming out. It's really distracting me. Hey guys, it's Judy here. Welcome to today's video. I wanted to share with you guys some products that Stylevana sent me. Now, if you have been following my channel for a little while, for the last few months, then you'll know that I have been working with Stylevana on a few videos once every month for the last couple months. Now, they did send me some more makeup items that I wanted to share with you guys, and so that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. This video is not sponsored. These are just free products that were sent to me in exchange for a video to talk about Stylevana. It's not really a brand, it's basically a website where you can find trendy and affordable Asian and Korean beauty makeup products for an affordable price, and they ship to very many places in the world. I also have a coupon code for you guys, INF10 Kikay, which if you do choose to use, you will save 10 to 15% off your order, excluding instant offers and weekend deals. But 10 to 15% off is a good amount of money to save, especially if you tend to spend a lot of money on makeup and skincare, which I know I do, so every little bit counts. Now, this code is a commission code, so I do receive a little bit of commission back if you do decide to use that code or shop through the links in the description box down below. But that's just letting you guys know that if you do choose to use those links and the code, then I am supported back in a small way, which I am so incredibly thankful for. Now, I did want to talk about these products because I'm actually really excited about the products that Stylevana sent to me this month. There's not a huge amount of face products, and I don't actually have a lot of makeup on today. I literally just have a bit of primer on and a very light wash of foundation just to even out my skin tone, and I've been really into the very natural makeup looks these days, if I even do wear makeup. One of the things that they sent me was this Rose Galactomyces. Is that how you say it? I'm not quite sure. Galactomyces? I think that's how you say it. But anyway, it is a silky tone-up cream. Now, what this does, when I applied it to my face, it was very silky. It was hydrating, and it smooths out my skin like you wouldn't believe. As you'll see as I rub the product into my skin in the clip here, you'll see that it is a very light and silky cream. It can give you a little bit of a white wash, but I find that that's what a lot of Korean beauty and makeup products do, is to give you a lighter skin tone. That's kind of what Korean beauty and skincare emanates the most, is to lighten and brighten your skin tone. So I find that that's what this cream does. It gave a very nice base to my skin before I put the foundation on the top, and it was quite hydrating, and I must say it's almost not quite mattifying. My foundation itself is mattifying, but this one was, I find that this one is a really good base for applying foundation on top of. So this one is a Korean skincare product. It has Provence rose water and contains oriental herb extract and 5,000 ppm, I'm not sure what that is, of Galactomyces fermented filtrate. These are big words, guys. Let's see what Galactomyces is. Hey Google, what are Galactomyces?
According to Wikipedia, Galactomyces is a genus of fungi in the family Dipodocaceae.
Okay, that was not English to me, but it looks like it is a natural plant-derived product that is used in a lot of skincare, and specifically in Asian beauty skincare. Basically, it's a skincare ingredient that really helps to minimize pores and brighten the skin. This product is rich, moisturizing, and controls the moisture balance. It's a whitening cream to keep skin bright and applies it silkily and lightly. It's a really good product. I actually really like that. I think I'll be using this when I do apply makeup, which is not very often these days. Like, who even has anywhere to go to right now? But I will continue to use this product, and I actually really like the packaging. It's very sleek and has a very silky feel to it. So that's the first one. And the next one is this brow pencil. Now, to be honest, I don't use a lot of brow products because these are my natural brows. I don't draw them in. I don't have to pencil them in or fill them in or anything. These are literally my brows. They are very thick and bushy, and I am blessed to not have to draw in my brows. But this is one of the products that they also sent me. This is from the brand Etude House. It has a little spoolie on the end, and the product itself is quite waxy. It's not so creamy that it really darkens the brows too much. Excuse that. It's workplace injuries. But it has a very nice waxy consistency that it's quite easy to draw in the eyebrows. I'm not going to be applying this today because I already have my brows, but that's a really good product to have. The next one is another brow product, and this is from the brand Shiseido, and this one also has a very nice consistency and color. It's very easy to make light strokes as long as you keep your pencil sharp. This would really suit my eyebrow color as well. To be honest, I'm probably just gonna pass these eyebrow products onto my mom or someone else who's going to appreciate them, but I just wanted to share these products with you guys to give you a bit of an idea of the kind of products that you can find on the Stylevana website. The next product is this little multi-cube. It's actually really super cute. I love the colors on it because it's just very natural and very soft. So I'm gonna do a very quick little eye look using these products today on my eyes, and then on the second little layer in this cube is a blush, which is a very pretty natural little blush right there. I like this because it'd be so good for traveling. You can literally pop this little cube in your bag and do touch-ups throughout the day using this, but it's so cute and I really super love it. So I'm just gonna jump into a really quick, super simple eye look on the eyes right now, just to show you guys really quickly on how you can use this product. Really quick and simple, easy, super natural eyeshadow look. It's not anything crazy by any means. It's really good for simple on-the-go makeup if you just want to slap something on really super quick. You could even apply this type of makeup with your fingers on the go. Again, you don't need tools, you don't need brushes. You could really just use your fingers using this. So I actually really like that. It's very cute. For people who love simple natural makeup, then this one is for you. It's just a nice little breath and touch of something, you know what I mean? Okay, next is a lip product. This one is called Shikhangyu Bosong. Not quite sure what that is. I think that is the brand name. Oh no, the brand name is McQueen New York. I'm not quite sure what that is. Maybe it's the shade name. No, the shade name is Coral Pink. So I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's just like a little printout on the cover. But this is what the lippy looks like. It's a really super pretty pink lipstick like this. I'm not gonna swatch it or put it on my lips actually, because I've got so many lipsticks to use. So I'm not gonna touch this and I'm actually going to give it away. But it's such a really pretty, super pretty lipstick. I love the color of it. And that brings me to the next product, which is also a lip product. And this one is called Romantic Moonlight, and this one is actually a lip tint or tinted gloss. The packaging is so cute. I love the color. This one I am going to apply on my lips today, and it smells so sweet as well. It smells like lollies, but not quite lollies. It smells like rosy lollies. I don't know how to describe it. I'm really bad at describing scent, which is why I haven't done a perfume collection video yet. I know some of you have said yes, you'd like to see that, but I'm just really bad at explaining scents. You know what this actually smells like? It reminds me of the stickers that you used to scratch as a kid, and it'd come off with like a grape scent. It was like a sticker of a grape and you'd scratch it and smell like a grape scent, or bubble gum. That's what that smells like. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about, if you're old enough to remember those stickers back in the day. That's so really sweet and juicy and I love it. I'm really super into simple, natural, no effort makeup looks at the moment. Literally, I don't have any mascara on, I don't have any bronzer or highlight or concealer or any of that. I just really am enjoying a soft, natural makeup look moment, and that's exactly what these products helped me achieve today, besides the foundation, which was my own foundation. I'm wearing the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte foundation, which I really love. Works well with my skin. And anyway, those are all the products that I got from Stylevana this month. I want to say thank you to Stylevana for sending me these products and for providing me with a coupon code that I can share with you guys, INF10 Kikay, which you can use on their website to save 10 to 15% off your order. Thanks guys for watching this video. That's all I have to share for today. I really appreciate you've tuned in. Please stay tuned to this month's videos. I'm going to do my best to upload 3 times a month this month. My Halloween series has been kickstarted with my Mulan makeup look, which I'll leave linked up here or in the description box down below. Please guys, stay tuned. I've got some exciting looks planned coming up for you guys. I appreciate you watching today's video, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye. It's said to give you, it's said to take care of wrinkles. It says to